Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the data and confirming shapes, missingness, and target distribution. This tells you what modeling constraints exist. Once done, implement a fast baseline, a simple model that runs in minutes and produces a validated score because you need a reference. Make sure to log experiments, set random seeds, and capture environment details so results are reproducible. This prevents wasted rework later. From here, you know what improvements are meaningful versus noise, and you can plan feature and model work. Now you expand features and iterate. Create domain features, engineered interactions, and normalized inputs, and validate each change with cross-validation. This shows why a feature helps. Then diversify models, gradient boosting, regularized linear models, and compact neural nets, and compare their out-of-fold scores. Once done, combine complementary models through stacking or blending, but validate stack performance on unseen folds. Make sure to check leakage and temporal splits if applicable, because a blind fold choice will ruin. You finalize by blending the best models and producing calibrated predictions. Out-of-fold estimates should match the blended score to avoid surprise drops. Then build an automated submission pipeline that loads artifacts, applies identical preprocessing, and writes the submission file so you can repeat quickly. Make sure to tag versions and record hyperparameters for rollback. If the leaderboard score is worse than expected, run targeted troubleshooting. Check data leakage, confirm preprocessing parity, and inspect metric calculation. These are the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.